Wow, what a frame we have. We have a seaplane and fantastic historic wooden boat. We are going on this 1-hour cruise now, and this will be fantastic. We'll be sailing past all those tall ships. We are about to cross the Tasman Bridge. And look at this, Queen Elizabeth. This is a massive Cunard ship that's just arrived here. Wow, look at this rock formation, these cliffs. They very much looks like the painted cliff of Mara Island. They're just fantastic. Now we are really sailing past all these beautiful tall ships. This is young Endeavour. Hello, good morning. Welcome to our channel Diversity Travelers. First of all, thank you very much for watching our videos. First video of James Craig arriving at Hobart Waterfront, and then the second video that we captured yesterday. Fantastic, spectacular Parrot Up Sail 2025. And today we are having another busy day at Wooden Boat Festival. First of all, this morning we have booked a tour of Tasports. That tour will take us on a 1-hour cruise across the river and around the Tasports region. So that is the cruise, and I hope the weather will be nicer because it's a bit cold and very cloudy and it could be a bit bumpy. So we'll capture that, and then afterwards we'll actually walk around the village, the Wooden Boat Festival village, and that will be fantastic. You must have watched our video in 2023. It will be similar, and then finally we'll be coming back to Salamanca Place and finishing the video while we'll be having some tempura mushroom. That's a tradition in Hobart, and it will be a fantastic experience, and we love to share with you. So please join us, stay tuned, subscribe, like, share. You know what to do. And this is just before 10 o'clock on 8th of February, Saturday. And look at this side. Saturday is always busy at Hobart Waterfront because we have the Salamanca market, and with this Wooden Boat Festival we have nearly 25,000 people already at 10 o'clock. What a wonderful sight this is. This is special. And this is the Brooke Street Pier where our cruise will start with Tasports this morning. And this is going to be our ferry that will take us on board to these Tasports cruise for an hour. And look at this side. All these boats, they were arriving in the Parrot Up Sail and they're just docked here. And on this ferry, on this cruise, we'll be sailing past all these tall ships. What a wonderful sight that would be. We are going on this 1-hour cruise now, and this will be fantastic. We'll be sailing past all those tall ships that are parked here and arrived on this Parrot Up Sail yesterday. Wow, look at those tall ships. They are just fantastic, isn't it? Good thing about this morning is that although it is a little bit windy, but the water surface is absolutely flat. So for next 1 hour it will be smooth sail, and we are really happy about that. Look at this side. This is just special, and this is fantastic. Look at this, all wooden boats. They are just parked here, and we are at the back side of this Peppermint Bay cruise, and so hope we'll not have much noise of the wind and we can talk through. Wow, this is fantastic. We have taken Derwent ferry so many times, but with these wooden boats, this is a different perspective. It is just fantastic. And we are sailing past James Craig. And our Mount Wellington is very, very cloudy today, almost covered. Look, if you have watched our first video, James Craig arriving at Hobart Waterfront, I was making video and that area, whole area was empty. And look at this today. It is full of different size and shapes of wooden boats. Really, this is fantastic. This is giving us a different perspective. Looking from an elevation, all these wooden boats. After we finish this cruise, we'll be walking through this village. And look at this, Queen Elizabeth. This is a massive Cunard ship that's just arrived here and took the place where Ovation of the Sea was standing yesterday. Wow, there is a boat from the Marine Science and Technology Tokyo University. They are doing research at this Hobart port. Now we are passing by Tasports, one of the biggest port in Australia. This is a French ship. It goes to Antarctica. It's called La Astrolabe. And look at this. This is our Regatta ground, and we'll be coming back here because the Regatta fair site is this one, where all those fantastic wood chopping and all those rides happening, as you have seen our other video last year and also when we captured the Royal Hobart Show. This is the Regatta ground, and on 9th of February, tomorrow, Sunday, when we'll be taking the cruise on James Craig, we'll be coming here because at night the Regatta fireworks will happen at this Regatta ground. So we'll be coming back at this point where we'll be enjoying these extraordinary fireworks. Just coming upstairs because we're going to cross Tasman Bridge. This is fantastic, Tasman Bridge, and I think we're going to cross this. We are about to cross the Tasman Bridge. Wow, crossing the Tasman Bridge is just fantastic. Wow, look at this rock formation, these cliffs. They very much looks like the painted cliff of Mara Island. They're just fantastic. Now we are returning back to the Brooke Street Pier and we are crossing again the Tasman Bridge very slowly, so that's why it's a bit wobbly now. Wow, look at the seaplane. It's getting ready for this ride. Wow, this is the last element we needed. Fantastic. And look at these, all these tenders. They're coming down from Queen Elizabeth. And I think that's Enterprise. That's Enterprise going on a ride. We did this last time when in 2023 we had this wooden boat festival. Wow, what a frame we have. We have a seaplane and fantastic historic wooden boat. Now we are really sailing past all these beautiful tall ships. This is young Endeavour. And that's one in all. And if you have watched our channel, we have a walking tour of this ship when we did that in 2023. And that's the James Craig. We also have a walking tour video of this fantastic, magnificent tall ship. And I think that's Lady Nelson. What a wonderful ending of this cruise. I think this is one of the best ferry ride we ever had while we were in Hobart, and that's nearly 14 years. And that's the replica ship Endeavour. What a beautiful ship this is. Wow, this is fantastic. Wow, what a ride that was. That was a fantastic cruise. And I don't know how much vlog or my wordings were recorded while on board because it was windy. Obviously we were on a ferry. fantastic experience, and that was like all thanks to Ornima, because she booked all these tickets and I had no clue. I thought I'm going to make a big vlog of this, but this cruise was so authentic, so beautiful. I'm going to make this a separate video posting today, and then we'll have a walking tour separately posted on the wooden boat village, and that was just an amazing ride. So hope you enjoyed this cruise with us, this wooden boat festival cruise with Tasports. Please enjoy our video. If you like our video, please share, subscribe, and also you know what to do. Thank you very much. Goodbye until the next video.